How to remove voicemail on iPhone. So as you can see at the bottom right there, you see the red dot icon on the voicemail section, as well as the home screen of the iPhone, the bottom left hand corner. You see the red little dot. It's quite annoying. So how you're going to remove that is by going to the phone section, the bottom left there, then clicking on voicemail at the bottom right, then click on network provider voicemail, call. On that section there, it's going to call, you're just going to play your message for however long it is, and then what you're going to want to do is press 3. That should be the same for your iPhone as well, or if you listen to the message then it says delete number 4, let's say for instance, then do that. But for you it should be 3 unless it's different. So all you have to do is keep clicking 3 until all your messages are deleted on your voicemail, and then once they're deleted, once you click 3, look after you listen to the voicemail, then it will all be deleted eventually at the end there. Then when you're done, just click the bottom red button there, that circular red button. Then if you go, you can see the red dot has been removed. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.